In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Alt key not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If your Alt key has suddenly stopped responding, or certain shortcuts like Alt plus Tab or Alt plus F4 no longer work, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a series of checks and fixes you can try on your own, starting from the simplest solutions and moving toward more advanced ones. Follow along step by step, and you can pause the video at any time to try each method. First, let's rule out a basic hardware issue. Gently press the Alt key a few times to make sure it isn't physically stuck. If you're using an external keyboard, unplug it and plug it back in, or try a different USB port. If you have another keyboard available, test whether the Alt key works there. This helps you figure out if the problem is with the keyboard itself or with Windows. Next, we'll check for any stuck modifier keys or accessibility features that might be interfering. On your keyboard, press the Shift key and the Control key a few times on both the left and right sides. Sometimes, Windows behaves as if another key is being held down, which can cancel out Alt. After that, open the Start menu, type Ease of Access Keyboard Settings, or Accessibility Keyboard, and open that settings page. Here, turn off features like sticky keys, toggle keys, and filter keys, at least temporarily. These features can change how key presses are interpreted, and turning them off is a good way to test. Now, let's confirm whether the Alt key is recognized at all. Open a text editor like Notepad. Hold down the Alt key and, using the numeric keypad, type a code like 169, then release Alt. If you see the copyright symbol appear, that tells you the Alt key itself is being detected, and the issue may be with specific shortcuts rather than the key. If Alt shortcuts like Alt plus Tab still aren't working, we'll look at your keyboard layout settings. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Keyboard or Language and Region, depending on your version of Windows. Make sure the layout is set to the correct language for your physical keyboard. If there are multiple layouts listed, remove any you don't actually use. A mismatched layout can cause certain keys or shortcuts to behave strangely. Next, make sure your keyboard driver is working properly. Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Keyboard section, right-click your keyboard and choose Update Driver. You can also choose Uninstall Device, then restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver, which often resolves glitches. If the problem started recently, consider whether any new software, especially keyboard remapping tools or game overlays, was installed. These can sometimes override the Alt key. Try closing or temporarily uninstalling any such programs and test the key again. Finally, if nothing has worked so far, restart your computer to clear any temporary system issues. After the restart, test the Alt key again with shortcuts like Alt plus Tab, Alt plus F4, and the character code test in Notepad. By methodically going through these checks, you can usually narrow down whether the Alt key issue is caused by hardware, settings, drivers, or software conflicts, and in most cases, get it working again.